Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. Today's lesson is about the different uses of the verb mettre. Mettre is a really versatile verb. It's very underrated, and you'll find out why in a minute when you've seen all the examples. First of all, it can mean to put, as in to place something on something else, or to set. Let me show you. Je mets les verres dans le buffet, which means shall I put the glasses in the sideboard? Or you could say je mets les verres sur la table. Shall I put the glasses on the table? Just purely to place something on something else. Notice here the shall I in French. There's no such thing as the shall I construction. All we do is we say I put the glasses in the sideboard. So you take the statement and you turn it into a question by raising your voice at the end. On a mis notre maison en vente. We put our house up for sale. Mettre en vente, to put up for sale. C'est Laura qui a mis la table aujourd'hui. It's Laura who set the table today. In plain English, Laura set the table today. Then it also means to put on, which is really interesting. Mets ton manteau, il fait froid ce matin. Put your coat on, it's cold this morning. You see, you don't need the on bit of to put on, because mettre already contains that. Il a mis ses chaussures de marche pour sortir. He put on his walking shoes to go outside. Attends, j'ai besoin de mettre mes lunettes pour lire ça. Wait, I need to put my glasses on to read this. So that's fairly straightforward to put on. The less obvious meaning of mettre is to switch on a device, for instance. Il faisait tellement froid hier qu'on a mis le chauffage. It was so cold yesterday that we put the heating on. See, again, you don't need the on component of to put on, or we switch the heating on. It's already in mettre. Les voisins mettent toujours la radio à 6 heures du matin. The neighbors always put the radio on at 6 a.m. Il a mis son ordinateur en route. He switched on his computer. This one is a little bit different because you have to have en route in there, and I'm not too sure why, because for the heating or the radio you don't need it, but you do for a computer. So the alternatives to mettre are mettre en route and allumer, and in the three examples I gave you, you can replace mis or mettre by mettre en route or allumer. They're interchangeable, so you can actually choose which one you want to use. It's just we use mettre because we're a little bit lazy, I think, when we speak. We're a little bit familiar. It's far easier than mettre en route or allumer, so that's what we're going to use. And that's all for this lesson. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed it. Any questions, leave that in the comments below so I can answer you. And keep your eyes peeled for part 2 of this video, which will come out in a few days. À bientôt!